CLISMABAN project is really about identifying banana varieties that are resilient to climate changes. Now, these are cooking banana varieties that have been bred using the common matoke, the cooking banana that is very popular especially in Uganda, but also in the rest of East Africa as a cooking banana. Out of the project, 27 new varieties have been developed by IITA in collaboration with NARO, Uganda. And these hybrids are referred to as NARITA, an acronym for NARO and IITA. The hybrids have been developed over 17 years for higher yields, resistance to diseases, and acceptability by local farmers. We are using a participatory approach in the introduction process. We are also focusing on gender integration.
Banana is traditionally a woman's crop, but with the new varieties that puts, makes them shift from that indigenous household, women's crops and all this to commercial production, income generation, wealth creation. Men also shift to production. This is where the crisis now starts.
This week we've been having a gender training to sensitize the farmers on the importance of gender integration in farming. And what stood out for me is that there is really need for gender sensitization in the community.
CLISMABAN training has somehow revolutionized our thinking about the gender setup in a family. What we should also be, what a family, a new family should be aiming at in the gender perspective.
From the CLISMABAN training that I have attended, I've learned about the climate smart banana, where the bananas will be resistant to the pests and diseases. And also, they are the cooking bananas, where most of us have forgotten the cooking bananas. We do specialize in the ripening bananas, and that one has made me happy because in the cooking, even the family will benefit from it. Also, I've learned about the gender, which is something I never knew about. It was my first time to know what it is about the gender, and from that training, I've been enlightened even of how to be able to arrange our things even at home with my husband and the children, the sharing of the duties in the family, and also the sharing of the profits or rather the resources.
The most exciting area under the training was on practical on the field. I really got excited when I realized the plantain variety can do well, and looking forward to plant the plantain type of banana variety.
The part I found more interesting, or I am interested in, is the issue on gender. Culturally, there was some disconnect about gender. You find the male species would take to be the major decision makers and everything. But currently now, things are changing.
The climate smart banana will help the socio-economic life of my family because we will have more money from the bananas you grow. They will produce more because for one, they will be disease-free and they will be able even to give us more money. And when the family has more money, even the standards will go up and even the children will be well educated and will have a good living standard.
Climate smart agriculture banana growing is going to impact very positively in banana production in Embu County as a whole and in Runyenje sub-county. Because when you have a banana that is resistant to pests and diseases, the farmer will be able to grow that banana, and that banana will have more market and also a source of income for the family.
In the next 1 year, we expect the farmers in the selected counties to start growing the climate-smart bananas on their farms. And in so doing, we are looking forward to higher yields of cooking banana varieties, this being the first time that these have been introduced in Kenya. And we are looking forward to better empowered farmers, higher food security, and more money in the pocket for the farmers.